Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Ali Reza Zaidi. Today is today I was on a Microsoft forum, and there I found a question that either we create a page filter and that filters can be moved to another user. So that is possible with the help of a page view. Let's explore it, and I share you how you can move that filter to the another person. Video, I created two users. One user is logged in on Microsoft Edge, and second one is logged on Chrome, right? On Microsoft 10.0.39 version of Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations, and this VPC is running on my personal laptop, right? So first of all, I'm going back to Microsoft Edge, and here I'm going on all sale order and account receivable, all sale order. So here is already applied a filter, and if I go on my view, I have already created two views. My standard view, this Pandoro view, and Julia Fernandez. Basically all these filters are applied on sales take care. For example, you can see that is exactly his name is, you can see that I applied on this. For example, if I click on a Julia, take care by a Julia is appeared here. So how we can create our views and save in a system? So one way is that either I have to create a directory filter here, or I have to go on options, and here is advanced filter or sort. Advanced filter and sort is a more options. So here is a option for a sales taker. I can add more filters on a sale order, but currently I'm just applying the filter on a sale taker. So either I have to click on this plus sign and click here and place whatever I want. So this person is coming, select, or either I have to paste this name is directly in this text box, right? There are other options are also available, like sorting. That is I can apply a sort or a sale order number, ascending, descending, whatever I want. Even I can apply on RMA number, quotation, postal address, customer ID, or a lot of fields are there. We can apply a different types of sorting orders there, and even we can apply a join. For example, I can take a table join and change it to status is equal to delivered and invoiced and open, right? When I click on OK, it show me all the sale order which are open status. Those status are invoiced, open, invoice on order, and it has a card is their sales taker. Deliver, select, and then I put the name of the person and click on OK. It's show me the all record which are opened and delivered by Storm. Now I'm going to save this query. I click it save as, and I put my person's name, right? I click on save. Now the question is, how can I move this view to another user? So for this I have to go on user option. Here is personalization, sales, all sale orders are coming here. Here you can see the view name, Curl Storm. I select this, and that again copy to user. All users are available in the system. So here is my second user, Ali2, Ali Reza. My Hotmail address is here. I click on copy. It give me that has been started. Result will be available in Action Center. User is successfully applied. Now if I go here and click on account receivable, orders, all sale orders, and if I click on a view, you can see the view is available here. If I select on it, you can see the all sale orders is filtered by this card sale taker. Thank you for watching. In this way, save and move the views from one user to another user. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.